now these fucking nitwit neighbors got the fire department here. Dead the fuck asleep. Smoke alarms start going off. You can see them on my camera. That's my door chime going off because they're now playing at my fucking door. There's no smoke in here. There's no fire. I don't smell anything. One of these fuckers was blowing cigarette smoke or something at the alarm. And I'm way back in this room sleeping. Way back in here. Got woken the fuck up by this bullshit again. Every time this girl comes home in apartment 4, there's chaos. I can't even talk. I got cotton mouth. High blood sugar. Oh my God. So here we are. Let me sit. Let me see if they're still on camera. And then the fucked up part about it is the fire company. I have the nitwit coming up to my door from that apartment back there. They're the ones that were up. They're the only ones that could have set it off. I heard them talk. You could hear them talking in the video. So they're the only ones that were up. Prior to the smoke alarm going off. It went off several times, don't get me wrong. By the time I got up and started video, this was the second time it went off. It stopped on its own, and then I don't know what they did, blew more smoke up there from a cigarette or whatever the fuck they did. You watch, you're not going to find nothing. And I think that those smoke alarms are linked to right to the fire company, you know what I mean? It goes off and it alerts them so they come here. So now they can't agitate me with guests, so now they're going to start setting off the smoke alarms all the time. Watch, I guarantee it. And he's still sitting out here. There's the fire truck. Go away. I don't think they're coming back up. Yeah, I thought I heard them coming up the stairs now. They might be checking the basement. Every time this girl in apartment 4 comes home, there's chaos, whether it's a stabbing in the hallway from her fighting with her boyfriend. The ambulance is here because of them over and over and over again. There's fights in the hallway. So he came up to the door the second time, and I screamed, I'm calling the fucking cops. I'm calling the fire department. They got rid of him. He don't belong at my door. He's not a firefighter. They're the ones that come and shut them smoke alarms off. They're the ones that are supposed to look around for the fire, not you. Stay the fuck in your apartment or go outside and wait for the fire to company. And I'm going to tell the landlord that next time he smells fire, run the other way. Get the fuck away from my door. They are trying everything to get under my skin, everything to fucking, you know what I mean, get close to the store to see if my cameras are real. Well, he knows now. I screamed through the door this time. I'm already sick from diabetes and many other fucking disabilities, and I got to deal with these fucking peckerheads too. And I'm not talking about the firemen. I'm talking about the shitwits the landlord won't evict. I just got him tonight. Earlier today, two masked black guys at my door playing games, searching out my door. So if anything's wrong with my locks or my door, they did it because he was at my door playing around. And it would be so easy for somebody downstairs to come up the stairs and sit at the top step and blow smoke up at these smoke alarms. And not be seen sitting at the top of the step. And then Mr. The human hero there come out of the apartment going, what's wrong? Let me fix this, just to get close to my door. These people are making me physically ill. My health is declining. My mental health is declining because of this one girl that lives back in that apartment who keeps, doing this. I've lived here a year. The smoke alarms have not gone off once. They were setting off fireworks on the sidewalk in front of our front door with the front door open, trying to set the smoke alarms off last summer. Cops came and told them to put them out. They were between the gas tank of a car and our front door, and all the smoke was coming up the steps. And it was her and the downstairs people. Have that video on my YouTube page. Luckily, there was enough fresh air that it didn't set the smoke alarms off, but she did come up and check. She looked in my hallway up at the smoke alarm. So they did it. They did it on purpose, whatever they did. Whatever they did to set the fucking smoke alarms off, that's what they did something. It ain't me. I'm not cooking. I was dead asleep. I heard the fucking smoke alarm go off the first time, and I'm like, what the fuck is this? It sounds like it's our building. So I got up and walked out in my kitchen and went, yeah, it is. So I started sniffing. I went in my bathroom, sniffed, went in my kitchen, back in my middle room back here. I couldn't smell nothing. There was nothing going on. Went to the crack of my front door. Nothing. There's no smoke. What is going on here? Next thing you know, I walk back in here and fucking Jitwit from apartment 4 is at my door playing games. And mine is the only one that was going off. You notice that, right? Right at my door. But there's no fire. Isn't that amazing? How coincidental that is? All they do is wreak havoc, cause chaos, bullshit like this. And I've been telling this landlord for a motherfucking year. If he'd get rid of her, 95% of the bullshit in this building would go away. I'm smoking right now. I just lit a cigar. I sit in my kitchen all day long. I have 2 ashtrays that sit there, smoke all day long. Guess what happens? No smoke alarms. All of a sudden tonight, been doing that for a year now, since I got my kitchen table anyway. Which was a couple months ago. At least 3 months ago. Sit at my kitchen table and smoke all day long, all night long. Oh, there goes the fire company. That shitbag just wanted to get at my door to see if my cameras were real. Let's see if they come back out. I'm gonna switch seats here again. See if this fucking lemon-headed shitbag comes back out of the apartment and looks around. Now it sounds like they're knocking on somebody's door. I can hear them pounding. Sounds downstairs below me, though. Fire company left. So one of the crackheads were smoking crack and set off the fire alarms or something. They were all out here on the sidewalk tonight talking in a gaggle and a bunch, talking about some bicycle got stolen. The downstairs girl's daughter got a bicycle got stolen. So they were probably all coming up with this plan early in the evening, all together. All right, I'm going to end this video because obviously there's no fire because there was never a fire. They're playing games. So, all right.